Okay, so this is page 464, number 50, and y equals -3 times the sine of 6x plus pi. Okay, we are going to flip this one, right? We will flip it. We're going to sketch it. We will label it after we figure out the period. And in this one, we're going to shift it. We're going to have a phase shift on that, and we'll look at how that works. All right? So I am going to go ahead and draw my x-axis and my y-axis. I'm going to do 3 periods. And once again, I'm going to flip this because of the negative. There's 1 period. There's 2 periods. And let's go over here for the 3rd period on the negative side here. 3 periods. All right. Because it's negative, we went down from the origin instead of up from the origin. Everybody okay with that? Because of that negative there. Now, A is the absolute value of -3, which is 3. So I'm going to label this, but this is 3 here and -3 down here where the curve goes to the top and bottom. Good with that? And then, let's see, we need to get the period, which again is 2 pi over b. In this case, it is 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. Right? That's what from 0 to 2 pi over 3, that's what we have right there. Now, I'll split 2 pi over 3 in half. That's pi over 3. And half of, no, shoot, I said 2 pi over 3. That's just pi over 3, right? Okay. You were about ready to tell me? Is that what you were going to tell me? All right. Very good. Very good noticing. Okay. I got to correct this right now, Claire.
Why is it over 3 though?
Okay. A regular period for sine is 2 pi, right? You put that over this coefficient, b. This is the b value to get the transformed period. Okay? All right. So that's pi over 3. Half of pi over 3 is pi over 6. Half of pi over 6 is pi over 12. Everybody good with that? And halfway, 1 pi over 12, 2 pi over 12, 3 pi over 12 is actually pi over 4, right? 3/12 is 1/4. Four pi over 12, 5 pi over 12, 6 pi over 12, which is pi over 2, 7 pi over 12, 8 pi over 12, which is 2 pi over 3. Is everybody comfortable with the labeling on the x-axis that we're doing? Any questions on that? Negative pi over 12, negative pi over 6, and I can just look over here. The opposite's negative pi over 4, and negative pi over 3. Okay, so we're always splitting these things in fourth. I take half, and then I take half. And then I kind of know what I need to do each time now. All right, got it labeled. Got it flipped. We do have a shift here, though. Okay? Now, we have a phase shift. And I had a different way of showing it before last year, but Mr. Shell, my student teacher, kind of showed the class this way. So if if I factor this 6 out and just divide both these terms by 6, that's x, and pi divided by 6 is pi over 6. So I factor out that b value here. Now, do you remember if I have x plus pi over 6, when I was with the x with other transformations that we did, do you remember what that means we would do? We would move it left pi over 6. And again, I forgot I was going to do that part in pencil, but now it's time to shift it. So we're going to shift each one of these points pi over 6, which is 2 tick marks, right? Is pi over 6. So I'm going to, my new point here for this one is 2 marks over. This one is 2 marks over, which is a pi over 6. This one goes over 2. That's not left, is it? Yes, you are correct. All right. I'm going to run out of room over here. Yes, this is right, not left. Okay, thank you very much, and very good. What? Okay. So 2 units this way, yes. And this one is 2 units this way. And I'll put these in a minute. So I'm here. Let's get this one 2 units over. It's here. This one will go over 1, 2, right? Well, I'm going to get lost here. I'm going to just try to keep up with it as I go along. That's that one 2 units over. That's that one 2 units over. Okay. That one doesn't even belong here, does it? Okay. 2 units over, 2 units over. Let's move this one 1, 2 here. So I'm here. And then here. So get this part done. All right. And then I am, where did I leave off? Jeez. There. Oh. Need a lot of help. All right. 1, 2. Here. 1, 2. Here. 1, 2. So let me do that part now. Okay, I did that one. I did that one. 1, 2. I'm back here. Up here. 1, 2 here. 1, 2 here. Finishing up right there. Okay, so it's the highlighted part here is the actual graph. That's why I wish I'd left that in pencil so it doesn't convolute so much. Yes, so. That didn't change, right? Yeah. 3 is the amplitude on that. Okay. Any questions on that one? All right. Let's do one more. Let's do 52. All right. Write her down. Y equals 4 times cosine of pi x minus pi over 2 and then minus 1. That's a plus right here. Okay. I think I've got the problem written down correctly. All right. So, flip it. No, we don't flip this one. We will sketch it, though. With that, we will label it. And we will shift it with that. Okay. So, no flipping. I'm going to draw my axes and remind me to put the pen down when I'm done with this part. Okay. All right. Cosine. Did you see how cosine kind of goes like this? Here's one period of cosine. Don't flip it. Okay. Cosine starts high, right? Comes down and goes like that. Is that the cosine parent? Cosine 0 is 1, so yeah, it starts up here. All right. Then we'll do it again. We'll end up here. And then we'll come on this side and do one period of cosine. All right. Now, so I've got it sketched. I'm going to label it. I'll label it in pen here. Is everybody good with this being 4 and this being -4? Okay. Okay. Now, we've got it sketched. Time to label. Okay. The period is 2 pi over b. In this case, it is 2 pi over pi. So the period is 2 units. One period is 2 units. And that goes from here to here. That is 2. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 1 is a half. This is 1 1/2. So we're going by halves. 2, 2 1/2, 3, 3 1/2, and 2, 4. That's -1/2, -1, -1 1/2, and -2. All right. We good there, guys? All right. So, got it labeled. Now it's time to shift. Okay. One of the shifts is going to be, there's 2 shifts here. There's going to be a vertical shift. So we're going to lower this. We're going to go down by 1 each time. And there's going to be a phase shift. Okay, the vertical shift is -1, or 1 down. And then the phase shift. Let's figure that out real quick. Let's factor out pi. That's the b value. X plus, is everybody good with 1/2? And then -1. If I take pi over 2 divided by pi, I'm going to get 1/2. Okay. So the phase shift is 1/2 left or right? Left. Right? Correct? 1/2 left. If it's positive, it's counterintuitive, right? Correct? All right. So, and each tick mark is a half unit, correct? So we're going to take each tick mark, we're going to go 1/2 left and 1 down. This point right here, -2 1/2. 1/2 left, 1 down. to 3. Okay. This one right here. 1/2 left, 1 down. This one right here. 1/2 left, down 1. This one right here. 1/2 a unit left, down 1. This one right here. 1/2 a unit left, down 1. Okay. This one right here. 1/2 a unit left, down 1. Here. 1/2 left, down 1. 1/2 left, down 1. Let's go 1/2 a unit left, down 1 here. This point, go 1/2 a unit left, down 1. This one, go 1/2 a unit left, down 1. This one, go 1/2 a unit left, down 1. And this one up here, 1/2 a unit left and down 1. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do all this. This is up, down to here, up to here, through there, there, and there. My final graph is the one I'm highlighting. Okay.